So this is Appuldurcombe House.
Appuldurcombe House over there.
House.
Then,
Not a bad little pad, is it? I think I could hang out there. Hey, that's not your dog bone.
Yeah.
You think it's a bone, don't you? I should have bought the other little toy. I could put it on his collar.
That's filmed by Joe Blake.
So it's got no back, got no stairs.
it has got stairs.
It's a
There
fake.
There's nothing on
It's
there,
a
no
fake.
treads. There's no treads on there, John.
But they do wedding ceremonies there.
Yeah, but they're stone, aren't they? They're stone stairs, because that one that you go, you can't quite go up, it's been gated off. Got a load of pigeon poo all down there.
Oh, I left the window wide open again. Oh. There's some toilet blocks over there. Lots of happy campers.
Oh, Fuller's pub, like Culver.
Oh, right, I see. That's what I had last night, duck's folly. Let's try it the right way round.
So I'll take a photograph
Oh,
There you go.
there we go. Now we're climbing up the hill on to Culver, the top of Culver Point, Culver Cliff. One of the highest points in the Isle of Wight.
I don't think I've ever been up here before.
You don't think you have? A car coming the other way, John? This driver, he's a bit of a speedy. He don't take into account of the narrows of the road. You're right in the back there, hun. And now we're looking towards Sandown and Shanklin.
Picture postcard.
Yeah. And there's the anchorage there. And we're looking right across the English Channel now. You can still go on, you're alright. There is a car park right at the end.
I can't believe I've never been up there before.
No? The nice thing about it, John, it's all free parking.
Yeah?
What's over to the left, Dave?
Well, that is, I think that's that site, is it Nose Point or what? There's Bembridge Harbour over there, look. And that might be that site that Bob and Silla has been to.
Oh,
The Nord Point or whatever. Here we are, we're approaching.
Oh, the tanker's sitting on shore.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, I'm pulling out. We might have to go down and turn round, John. I'm pretty certain of that. Don't cross over, lady.
Oh, it's a pub.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think you can go in here, John. If there's room. Yeah, that's where we've parked.
Thought it was.
Yeah. Me and Dora have been here before, so
Yeah.
we can go right over in that far corner over there. Look. Over there, straight over there, where you got a little flat bit, so we get a bit more of the English Channel. In there, that's it. Carry on, yeah, carry on. Oh, I want to be facing forward. Yeah, give a smile. Is it still going? Are you there, hun? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, wife is there. Okay, now we're going back to the English Channel. Imagine.
Amazing. What?
John's got his extension.
So this is the highest part of the island.
This is Culver Cliff.
Highest part of the island.
Highest part of the island. It is the highest part of the island, Johnny. Yes. I think we've got the British Armada now.
Oh yeah.
And we've even got, what do you call these burn things? They set light to them.
Oh, beacons. So Dave, why do they park up offshore like that? These tanks. Do you know why?
One time it's late time, meaning, you know, they obviously got a contract with Esso. What's that bird on that?
I know, I was looking at it.
Yeah. Summertime it's late time where they're waiting for them. Their due date to go into Forley is not there, so they have to lay at anchor. I'm trying to think of night and radio. That's what it's called. That's a kestrel, hun, I think. Yeah.
So we reckon that bird that you can see is a kestrel.
We walked all the way around that point, and you've got Bond Church. So you didn't do that with us, did you? You didn't walk that? No, you didn't.
No, I don't
Dora
think
and
so.
I've done that last year. Birds don't care where they shoot. Oh, sorry. Basically, wind hunt.
It's just wind, it's not fish or anything there.
When you go further around, you get the St Catherine's, you get the race where the two tides, because obviously we get two tides here because of the Isle of Wight, or Southampton. And I come around there and you can get quite lumpy around St Catherine's Point.
The Culver, what's it in? Culver Cliffs Inn.
Culver
Haven Inn.
Culver Haven Inn.
Yeah, but it's pointing downhill, John, isn't it?
Possibly the highest pub on the island.
Yeah.
I was only to say that we've been to the highest pub on the island. I was thinking of a tomato juice anyway. I'm not thinking. Not exactly wanting to beer particularly, but.
Here, this is Ventnor Beach, and where you see this little building here on the right with the breakwater, at one time was Ventnor Pier. It's now a sewer disguised pump out. place now of it. I remember in the late 50s coming along on a red funnel ferry, either the Balmoral or the Princess Elizabeth, and coming ashore there and spending a few hours while the boat went round doing round the island tour. But yeah, underneath there is it's a sewer plant, and it pumps out the clean sewer out into the sea to feed the fishes. Yeah, now it's a steep climb, John.
This will be fun.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Captain Mary. Oh, this one thinks she's drying over Arctic. Just watch yourself. Alright at the moment. Their gardens are all nice.
They are, they're lovely, always lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Not too bad, was it?
No. Ventnor, the place to come cycling.
Yeah. Yeah, we know it all too well.
And we're going to walk back this way tonight, though.
Yeah, we're going to walk this way, walk down and walk off. And then when you go straight ahead and you'll go in the right hand lane.
I'm beginning to wonder if it's a wise thing to do.
What's that?
To go there tonight.
Well, it's going to be packed any time now, isn't it? So, well, you know, last time, when you remember, you'll be bearing right. You remember last time we came there, we had to wait, but they were very quick. We weren't hanging around. That's the boots. Emil Banks office. Come around here, you'll be bearing left and going up the hill. That's it, left here. Now we're climbing up. And up. When you get to the top, you bear left. Give way.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason
There are those white
why we've changed.
ones,
There's a story
Campervan.
it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away.
Climb out. Yeah, then they're heading for the top end of Ventnor.
Just like before, so take it easy, take it easy.
What's bad with cars is when you get buses, and they always seem to meet right by the station entrance. That's the site for the old railway station, now industrial estate. The man in there, he said we're open until serving food until 9 o'clock. Actually, that's